It's after midnight. All good kids are sleeping, so we can use words like that. Here's a good word. Repudiate. Describe repudiate. 12.
Oh my god. I know it, but I don't know it. Do you know the etymology of it? I could probably figure it out from there, like from where it came from, Latin, France, India.
Well, you think that's going to help you figure out what it means? It means to refuse to have anything to do with, to disown. I repudiate garlic and onions.
Actually, yeah, if I knew the etymology of it, I definitely could have figured it out. I have heard that word, I have probably used it or read it or written it, but for some reason didn't ring a bell.
So if I told you that it came from Latin, the noun repudium, that would help you figure it out? Or in 16th century English?
And I would remember its literal translation.
Coming out of only one speaker. So how did you hear what I was doing before?